Hello and welcome back to the Hornby Magazine workshop for a video featuring the new EFE Rail J94 060 saddle tank. Now this 00 gauge model might be recognised by some as former DJ Models product. It's now owned by Kerner Model Rail Centre and is being distributed to Bachmann's dealer network via its new EFE Rail brand. Our review sample model 68043 in BR black with early crests, modelling one of those locomotives which became a J94 under the LNER classification system. Many of these Hunslet designed 060 saddle tanks moved into industrial service after their time with the War Department, but the LNER, it bought 75 of them, which went into mainline stock as well. Those all transferred to British Railways on January the 1st, 1948 at nationalisation and became part of the British Railways Eastern Region fleet. They were mainly deployed on shunting duties, but they could also be found on pickup goods, and they also had a long association with the Cromford and High Peak Railway. These rugged and powerful 060 saddle tanks were designed to meet a need for a reliable, easy to maintain and simple to drive locomotive during the Second World War. They were well liked by crews and became very useful for industrial settings as well following the end of hostilities. And they're easily found around collieries, including many that went into service with the National Coal Board, as well as being seen in steelworks and other industries too. Models of the J94 have been long-standing as part of the 00 gauge range. Many will be aware of the ex-Dapple product, which has been part of the Hornby range for many years, but this new Kerner Model Rail Centre owned product is much more modern design. It features a Next 18 decoder socket, it has NEM coupling pockets, it's got refined detail, a fully detailed cab interior and much more besides. Interestingly, it has a geared drive system as well, and that sees the mechanism have a full gear system linking the motor through cogs to all three axles. That means that this model relies on the gears for power transfer rather than the connecting rods. The new EFE Rail brand has got a series of these locomotives available now, and they're available in industrial, military and British Railways era colour schemes. Our model, like we said, 68043, it would cost you £149.95 at list price, and they're available from Bachmann stockists now. We hope you've enjoyed this latest video from the Hornby Magazine team, and don't forget to check out our full review in the latest issue. That's issue 160, October 2020, which is on sale from September the 3rd, 2020. Plus, if you're on Key Model World, don't forget to check out the rest of our online exclusive section where you can find many more exclusive videos here on the site. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.